Idea it is clear. This is another beautiful question, sir. Little very beautiful question. Best question for today. Try to solve these questions initially, then probably you can see the solution. Determine all odd real odd real numbers. Let me remove odd. First I will explain the concept. It is x is a real number. It can be a rational number, it can be an integer, anything. Determine all the real numbers x. First we will prove something, then we will put odd. Because if I keep an odd number, automatically odd number comes under the set of natural numbers. So I wanted to prove something else. 4x power 5 minus 7, 4x power 13 minus 7 are perfect squares. That means 4x power 5 minus 7, it is a perfect square. It is p square. 4x power 13 minus 7, it is a q square. So 4x power 5 will become p square plus 7. So x power 5 will become p square plus 7 divided by 4. First step clear? So this will become 4x power 13 is equivalent to q square plus 7. So x power 13 is equivalent to q square plus 7 by 4. q square plus 7 by 4. Let me call this value as a1. I will tell you, let me call this value as a2. Let me call that value. 5, it is x power 5 and it is x power 13. Which powers will come closer? 5 8s are 40, 13 3s are 39. So a3 is equivalent to a1 power 8 by a2 power 3, which is nothing but x here. Which is nothing but x. a1 is p square plus 7 divided by 4 power 8. This is q square plus 7 divided by 4 power 3. There is a numerator and there is a denominator. There is a numerator and there is a denominator. If x is a rational number, what is a rational number? Rational number will be of the form v by u, where v, u and r are integers. These are rational number. Rational number will have a numerator as well as a denominator. Rational number will have a numerator as well as a denominator. I hope the idea it is clear. Now if you see here, determine all the real numbers such that 4x power 5 minus 7 and 7 are perfect squares. Perfect squares. Square, it is an integer. Over answer. 4x power 5 is equivalent to 4x power 5 minus 7 is equivalent to p square. 4 into v by u power 5 minus 7 is perfect square. That means, listen carefully, sir. Here it is an integer, here it is an integer, this should be an integer, only possible when u equivalent to 1. If u equivalent to 2, here when I say HCF of v comma u should be equivalent to 1. That is the definition of a rational number. U power 5, if u is 2, 2 power 5 32, 4 by 32, 1 by 8 fraction it will become. This is an integer, this is an integer. That means denominator should be a factor of 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. But this and this should be co-prime to each other. That means u equivalent to 1. If u is equivalent to 1, in a rational number, if the denominator is equivalent to 1, that means the number will become an integer. I am just proving that x is an integer. Question asked is x is a real number. First I proved that x is an integer. Is this concept clear? Beautiful question, sir. Amazing question. Especially the students who are very good in mathematics. You will love these kind of questions because every question will make you think, sir. It is not going to be a direct formula driven question. 4x power 5 minus 7 is p square, 4x power 5 is p square plus 7, x power 5 is p square plus 7 by 4, x power 13 is q square plus 7 by 4. So I wanted an x value in the left side, so I did power 8 power 3. So here there is a numerator and denominator, so x is a rational number is of some form, numerator and denominator, they both are co-prime to each other. So 4x power 5 minus 7 is equivalent to p square. Wherever x is there, v by u power 5. This is an integer, this should be an integer. That means u should be 1. If the denominator, if it is 1, that means it is not a real number, it is an integer. From real number to rational number, from rational number to integer. A true perfect question for the number tree property. Now see here. 4x power 5 minus 7, it is a perfect square. X is an integer. Now let us now keep the question. X is an odd number. If x is an odd number power 5, it will be an odd number. 4 into odd minus 7. 4 into odd minus 7. 4 into any number divisible by 4. 4 2s are, okay, we will do like this. Odd number is of the form 2k plus 1 minus 7. So it is 8k plus 3. Any perfect square when divided by 8, it will give remainder 0, 1, 4. 4 into, x is an odd number we require. 4 into odd plus 7. 4 into odd plus 7. Odd number is of the form 2k plus 1. 8k plus 7 minus 4, 3. 8k plus 3. 8k plus 3. Any perfect square when divided by 8, remainder will be 0, 1 or 4. 0, 1 or 4. I am getting remainder 3. So, answer is no value. Answer is no value. Are you all with me? Answer is no value. Answer is no value. Very, very good questions can be formed by using this kind of logics. I hope the idea it is clear. He can ask you any question, sir. Suppose if the question is 4 into n square, 4 into n square plus 2 is a perfect square. 4 into n square plus 2, it is a perfect square. How many odd values n will take? How many odd values n will take? 4n square plus 2. Very good questions, very easy question if you understand this question. 4n square plus 2, it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. N is an odd number. Odd number on square, odd number. So 4 into 2k plus 1 plus 2. So this is 8k plus 6. Any perfect square when divided by 8, remainder will be 0, 1 or 4. I got remainder 6. Answer is no value. This kind of questions you will not find in any of the regular textbook. You have to listen to Anil Nair's classes to understand the beauty of mathematics. I hope the idea it is clear.